In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in a group in DocuSign using the Keller Williams platform, providing a helpful guide for 2025. Let's begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Start by navigating to the DocuSign login page. Once there, sign in using your KW command credentials or the standard DocuSign login method. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Depending on your workflow, you will want to choose either the rooms, which is ideal for KW real estate forms, or perhaps templates and envelopes if you're planning on customizing documents directly. Next, let's move on to uploading or selecting your document. If you're working within KW command under Opportunities, you'll notice your forms are already conveniently placed in DocuSign rooms. Otherwise, click on New, followed by Send an Envelope, where you can then upload the necessary real estate form you'll be working with, like a listing agreement or a buyer's disclosure. Now it's time to add your recipients. Enter each signer's name and email address and then assign the correct role, such as buyer, seller, or broker. Continue by clicking Next, which will allow you to open the Fields Editor. Once in the Fields Editor, focus your attention on the left-hand panel and scroll until you locate the checkbox option. Drag and drop the checkboxes into your document where they're needed. To set things up properly, plan on adding multiple checkboxes, as we'll be grouping them shortly for ease of use. Moving forward, let's group these checkboxes. Select one of the checkboxes you've placed, and in the Properties panel found on the right side, click on Group. Assign a meaningful name to this group, such as Disclosure Acknowledgement or Inspection Options. After naming the group, go ahead and add the rest of your checkboxes into the same grouping. Now, they're all linked as part of a cohesive group. Next, you should configure the group rules. Within the group properties, decide how you require your signer to respond. You can choose whether at least one box must be checked, all must be checked, a specific number must be checked, or if they are all optional. This flexibility is particularly beneficial when dealing with Keller Williams forms, where acknowledging multiple disclosures might be a compliance necessity. Ensure that each checkbox group is assigned to the correct signer. Remember that these groups are color-coded by signer, which makes it easy to differentiate. It's crucial to double-check that each form section is assigned correctly, be it for the buyer, seller, or any other relevant party involved. Finally, let's save and send. Review your document thoroughly, ensuring all details are correct. With everything in order, click Send. Your document will head off to your signer, complete with the grouped checkboxes adhering to the parameters you've meticulously set. By following these steps, you are now equipped to effectively use grouped checkboxes in DocuSign for Keller Williams, making your real estate documentation process smoother and